What's up guys, Fu, and welcome to a new series I like to call Lego Building. So today we are building the Marvel Studios Royal Talon, I can't pronounce it, Fire. So let's get started, but first we're just gonna unbox it, and this is from Black Panther. And if you have seen the movie Black Panther, comment down below, and comment down below what's your favorite song from the soundtrack. Let's open it. Okay. And it comes with these pieces and instructions. So I'm gonna show you the instructions now. Alright guys, so let's get to building right now. Let's get the instructions and let's do this. So this is the half result, so I'm gonna get back to it. So this is the other results. While I was recording, I had trouble with some of these because I'm not really that good with Legos, so let's just get back to it. Okay, I had to do the rest off screen, so this is the result. This is a little wobbly. I told you I'm not good at Legos, so Black Panther. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this was the building of this, and there was a lot of craziness during the video. So, and there was one last piece. I don't know where this goes, but this is when you first video saw me. This is subscribe and join my money is come or get money or. You'll be funny. And make sure you check out my new music on soundcloud.com/GDBoo.